Changing your profile picture on Reddit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your avatar easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Reddit app or website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Go to your profile. Click on your profile icon or username located at the top right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Step 3. Access profile settings. On your profile page, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Profile Settings. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Change profile picture. In the profile settings, you will see an option to change your profile picture or avatar. Click on this option and either upload a new image from your device or select one from the available options. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting or uploading your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings menu and click it to finalize your new profile picture. Now your Reddit profile picture is updated. Enjoy customizing your online presence.